got in store for today. Look at this. We got two-pound Tomahawk steaks. These things are about 2.5 inches thick. So they're gonna take a little more seasoning. Don't be afraid to over season these ones. These are gonna be delicious. Can't wait to get these on the grill. First thing we're gonna do is get them prepped up, and then we'll get them on the grill. We got the steaks in the pit. They got a pecan wood for the smoke flavor. We're gonna run these the same way we always do, reverse sear method, 275 till we get an internal temp of 115 degrees Fahrenheit. These are gonna take a little while longer because they're about 2.5 inches thick. So it's gonna be a little bit before we get to that temp. We are gonna sear them over the fire. We got the fire going in the background over there. So toughest part right now is just to let these bad boys come up to temp. Look at these. Oh man, I know they look good right now, but like I said in my other video, we're gonna make them look even better. Look at these bad boys. The lighting's a little better. Look at them. Delicious. Let's see if we can hear that crust sound. You hear the crust? Oh yeah, these are ready to go. We're gonna get these cut up, set them on a plate, and serve them. Steaks all cut up, steakhouse style. Look at them. Delicious. They're medium rare, so that would be pink with a hint of red. They got very subtle gray, if you can see it. They got a real nice char on the outside. Let's pull one out for comparison like we did on the last video. Look at this. Juicy, tender, nice. Can't wait to get these plated up and then served. Okay, what can I say? I greatly underestimated my opponent. I didn't click. Earlier in the video I said the steak was a pound. Duh, the package said 2 pounds. I said that in the earlier part of the video, right? So I started eating. I said, whoa. I'm gonna have to tap out. This thing is just too much. And then I remembered, oh yeah, it's 2 pounds. Yeah, you're gonna have a tough time finishing it. Okay, well check it out. Tomahawk steak. This video is not a review more than a, hey, let's cook a tomahawk steak. So what I gotta say about tomahawks, okay? Don't be intimidated by cooking a tomahawk. It's just a bigger piece of meat with a bone for presentation. That's all it is. Yeah, you're gonna have to adjust your cooking times. I took this one to 115 degrees because we're doing the reverse sear method. 115 degrees, and then we go and sear, right? So I took it to 115. Instead of it being an hour in a 275 degree smoker, grill, whatever you're gonna use, it took me an hour and 30 minutes to get to that 115. Actually, I passed over by a little bit, which is 118. So we'll say about an hour and 25 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes to be on the safe side, right? So it's gonna take a little while longer. So adjust your cooking times accordingly. Say you want your steak out earlier, hey, you have to cook it a little bit longer, right? The tomahawk steak, man, it's an experience. It's crazy because you got that bone. You can use the bone to flip on the grill. The only thing I didn't do is I don't like touching the bone, getting my hands dirty, you know what I'm saying? So I use the tongs to flip it, but man, when it comes off that fire, you see the fat dripping on it. It's awesome, right? Bring it inside, you plate it. People are gonna be like, whoa, look at this, this is a big old piece of meat. Because it really has a nice presentation. Tomahawk steaks, man, if you can cook one, I would recommend you do it. Also, if you're gonna do it, you're gonna cut it off the bone, right? There's gonna be meat on that bone. Don't let that waste. Or hell, if you got a dog or a cat or something that you want to feed that to, feed it to them, right? But I wouldn't waste it. Yeah, every piece of that is just as delicious. So Like I always say in my videos, no recipes are perfect. It's up to us to cook them right. We're gonna fix them, adjust them, make them better to our taste. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, hey Jacob, quit talking and cooking steaks, or hey Jacob, time to cook something different. We're tired of seeing steaks. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Also, this is me saying, I don't know what I got for my next video. If you got any ideas, hit me up in the comment section again. Maybe I'll do something different. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. This is Jacob signing out. Peace.